Get some attitude in the walk.
Okay, look, so...
Like what, Gary? You don't have attitude when you walk.
So you're going to turn that way, I'm going to turn this way, and we're both going to
Oh, it's a double deuce.
Alright, ready?
It should be 3. Gary, you should do it with him.
Turning that way. Alright, ready?
Hands on the hip, Robert.
I have my hips. Alright,
Well, put them on where your hips are supposed to be. Shake that butt. No, you gotta shake it. Wow. Sexy. Gary, would you just snort? Drop it low. Pop it and block and drop it. Oh my god. See, Gary, do that.
When
Do,
did Michael Jackson come into the picture?
whatever, you can, Gary, do it. Gary, you should do it. Oh my gosh. Gary, do your do the most womanly walk you can. Do your womanly pose. Come on. Walk as feminine as you can.
Find things on the ground and like.
Move, Bernie. Move your butt.
Jerry, bend and snap.
Yeah, bend and snap.
Jerry, teach me how to do that.
I've never done that.
Jerry, teach me how to do that.
Bend
That's
Teach
what
me how
I've
to
never
bend
done.
and snap.
Teach me how to bend and snap.
Gary, come on.
Just complete.
Someone come and show me how to do it.
The bend and snap. You just bend and snap. There you go. And snap. No. No. You gotta snap and go up to your chest.
I need a visual.
I'm doing it for you. Bend and snap.
Utilize that hair of yours.
Yeah. And you have to do it with your hands up to your chest right here. Bend and snap.
Bend and snap.
Now, Gary, you do it. Gary, now do it. Gary, you have to do it.
You said bend. Oh my goodness.
Gary, you do it.
Okay, your
I got
turn.
that.
Do the bend and snap one last time.
Gary, just do the bend and snap.
One bend and snap.
I don't even know.
Come on, you
Just bend
strut.
and snap.
Here, we'll all three do it at the same time.
Yeah.
Come here, Robert.
I'll do it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'll do it.
And snap.
That was awesome.